2, 1, let's go. I see what you're doing. Well, that was unnecessary. Stupid. 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 Toy, 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 stupid, stupid, stupid. Ha!
Reload.
Okay. Haven't even made a shot yet. Bullet right there, there. So, anyways, yeah. Just go and everyone subscribe to Star Fan Rogue One and make him look like the god of YouTube. I'm just kidding, no. No one is. Hey! You forgot bullets. Psych. This bullet's ripped. Screw it. You do right. There's a bullet right there. And there.
Seriously?
There's a bullet right there, there,
Seriously?
and there. Well, funny moments.
Bullets in this gun.
Funny moments with Star Wars Fan Rogue One. Oh, you ready? There's a bullet right there.
Throw it over there.
That bullet's alright. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Clay said no running.
I was jogging, dude.
Still running.
It's jogging, dude. There's a difference.
Okay.
Trying so hard to make sure he doesn't shoot me. Yeah. Sorry. I was trying to like. Actually, wait. In case we really need to like do this, then yeah.
One of my bullets ripped again.
That's the same bullet, dude.
Where'd all my bullets go?
Hey, my name's Mr. Blaster. And guess what? I hate you. Whoa. Reason why is because life hates me. Alright. A caterpillar just called. He wants his leaves back. A bug is here! Ah! I don't know if you guys can see it or not. But, hey look. It's blasting.
You can't pick up other people's weapons.
I know.
Dude, did you freaking...
Whatever.
Did you freaking end the video?
No. Video's still going. Anyways, yeah. It's harder to do this with his phone because no pausing feature and horrible quality. Sorry, dude, but your phone has horrible quality.
Oh, you shut up.
You just need to adapt. That's all. That's all.
Give me a new phone.
That's all, folks. Hurry up and go. Oh, no. Oh, wait, hang on.
Fine. Why are you saying no?
Take a look at it. It's apparently ripped. I actually found it like that.
Dented.
Dude. Pushed in the hole.
Whatever.
Sorry for the bad, horrible camera angles. It's just that this phone.
This is like the worst. This is like the worst. So sorry.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're not
The
sure, aren't
20 scar special was way better.
you? Just try shooting. Alright, let's go. That's one. Ow! Arm! At least it didn't kill me yet. Here, I need to reload. Well, need to do that. Okay, focus phone. It was just sun. That was a leg, so I didn't kill you yet.
You didn't hit my leg.
I just hit your leg right there, dude. Okay.
Good shot. And the winner is
Star Span Rogue 1, and I let you have me.
Woo!
Well,
I blocked that.
you did not.
You did? I blocked it with my gun. Ow!
Alright, 2 shots, I win.
No, I already won.
Anyways, you know what? Screw it.
Oh,
This
give
is
me
the
back my
ending.
phone.
This is the ending. Dude.
Oh, it's upside down.
Okay, let me just record you.
Fine. Yeah,
Personally, I did let him win, so might as well let him be the winner, because he's Star Spanner 1, this is his channel. We will do alternate ending to this, though.
nice try.
Dude, we're actually going to do an alternate ending.
No.
We're going to do it on my channel.
We can't recreate something that can't be recreated.
It's on my channel, dude.
Yes. No, actually, it's on my channel.
No, the alternate ending you can watch on my channel.
Oh, yeah. So, it's going to be a little bit different.
Yeah.
Or should we do the exact thing except the ending? It's going to be hard to recreate it.
No, we'll just do it a different way.
Okay. So where you win, where I still win, you still win the first round, I still win the second round.
Dude, look at what's on your shoulder.
Oh my god! Ah!
No.
I will get you, Misty.
You're lucky that I got out of you. I'm sorry. Alright. You didn't even notice me throw on you?
I will get you for this. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
And I'm gonna do the same thing to him again, if I can find another one.
Thanks for watching the 30 subscriber special. Make sure you watch our other videos.
Let me borrow that. Yeah.
Look at me.
Sorry.
I'm trying to talk.
Well, there's a thing that I
welcome
like
to
to
the
say.
30 subscriber special. No, stop. Stop, you're ruining it.
Alright.
So, thanks for watching the 30 subscriber special. Make sure to comment down below and
it's on your shoulder, dude.
And subscribe.
I thought you were gonna start charge at me.
And
oh no, he's gonna.
I give up.
Okay, fine. I'll do it for you. I'm just kidding. No, just all right. I'm gonna stop. Do it.
As I was saying.
No, not yet. Anyways, just say it.
Can you please let go of me so I can actually... Thank you. So yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you watch our previous videos. I also created a playlist so it's all the subscriber special. So the 10 subscriber special, the 20 subscriber special, and the 30 subscriber special will be in there. I'll just have to add it in there after I upload the video and add it in there, so that way you can watch all the subscribers, all the subscribers videos in one video. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoy, and as always, may the force be with you, and I guess that's that. Adventure Guy 1000, want to say anything?
Sure. Here. Alright. So anyways, yeah. If you guys want me to do more co-ops with this guy, let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to his channel, and subscribe for more videos with me and him.
And also there will be an alternate ending to this little matchup on his channel. Sorry, that was my brother's annoying friend.
Anyways, you ready? Ending?
Yep.
We're supposed to say at the same time. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Alright.
Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Boom shakalaka.